Hey, it's me, Kimmy Boutiki. Hey guys, it's Kimmy Boutiki here. That is me. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for joining us. So today I have my BoxyCharm. Let me just show you. This is the BoxyCharm box. It comes with 5 full-size products, and I'm going to show you what's in here, and I'm going to demonstrate those products on my face today, okay? Stay tuned. If you are not subscribed already, you're gonna hit that red subscribe button and the little bell next to it. They go hand in hand. You don't want to forget that. So the first thing I see are these brushes. So these are from the Crown collection. Get you up close and personal, guys. And they have cute pink tops to them. They're super adorable. This funny thing with white brushes, you don't want to use them because you don't want them to not be white. I'm trying to live where all my stuff is good stuff, and I use all my stuff every day. Oh, put this to the side, let it collect dust because it's so expensive and it's so new. Like, no, use your stuff. You spent your money, use your stuff. So I'm feeling these brushes. Super soft to the touch, to the face. Definitely looks like a nice little blush brush. Put powder on or knock the powder off brush. This is definitely a flat shader brush to put on that eyeshadow. This one, it looks like a little bit more detailed, that you can definitely, you know, chisel out or in here. Oh, that fits perfectly in there, just like that. In the box also, you have this Cover FX. It is called a shimmer veil. Make sure you guys can read that. Put it here. Iridescent, like purpley pink, super pretty. So I'm like, what is this, a lip gloss? So like, it comes in a lip gloss container. It has the doe foot applicator, but this is why you have to read the packaging, people, so that you know what you're getting yourself into. So this one says, a pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want for veilless shimmer. This unparalleled buildable formula feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease. Wear alone or over an eyeshadow, okay? And then we have here, it's by Pur Cosmetics Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. So I'm guessing it has like a little bit of tingling in it for it to plump your lips. And if you don't want to plump your lips, I know that the plumping is also good for filling in those lines. I don't need to make my lips any bigger. I'm bored this way. So you want to use this to prep your lip before you put on anything that's going to dry down on your lips, okay? It came with here, Vintage by Jessica Liebinskine, a smoky eye pencil in jet black. The pencil is super cute. It has these little rows on it. So it doesn't seem super black, but not everybody likes a super black pencil. It came with an Ofra Cosmetics Blush Winter Rose Glow. This is a blush, so this color is super pretty. This is definitely up my alley. It's like mauve. You know, I love to say that word, mauve. I love this. This is definitely a nice everyday color. Just put it on my hand there, and that's what it looks like. Blend it out a little bit. Nice and pigmented. So that was 5 products, right? The 3 brushes were 1 product. The shimmer veil was 1 product. The lip exfoliator was 1. The eye pencil was 1, so that's 4. This is 5, but it actually came with 6 products today. This is not an actual product. This looks like, what's it called? What do you call those things? For magnets, they hold your eyeshadows. Z palettes, their own brand of a Z palette, which is cute. It's got a little, you know, geometric design in it. We're gonna take our blush. We're gonna, oh yeah. I'm gonna bust this out because it's sitting here, and it's pretty much the only palette I use nowadays. I want to put a couple of transition colors down. Let me use my new Crown brush and be going in with the Cover FX. Okay, that's pretty pigmented. I honestly don't think you need to blend it out. It just sits really nicely on the lid. I'm going to just blend it in a little bit. I think this shimmer veil looks great. I actually would only wear it on top because it has the ultimate glitteriness in it, because I don't want to hide all that glitter. Like, why would I want to do that? That's crazy. All right, liner, mascara, I'll be right back. So I'm using the Vintage Jessica Liebinskine, I don't know, smoky eye pencil. So I'm putting it in the waterline. Oh, that's nice and dark. It looks good. Let's take our new Crown brush. This is the new blush. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. I just feel like I want to do the most. Extra snatched. The contour color in this Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, light to medium. I'm just gonna just put a little bit just in this inner corner. Do you see the difference? I just did a little extra like snatcheroo. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Let's see. This is doing the most, but it just made my lips hella metallic. Okay, a little flecks of glitter. Okay, I'm feeling that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me using all the products I got in my monthly BoxyCharm subscription box. I hope you enjoy your products. Let me know how you are using all of your products and how they're working out for you. So anyway, I will see you in the next video, especially if you've clicked that subscribe button and you hit that little bell next to it, so you're part of my notification gang. So I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Love you. Why am I always dropping stuff? Like, this is so not fun. That's it. Whisper of guilt. Get your hands on it, girl. What you waiting for?